Students, this is the second part of the video. In this part we will discuss the different steps of the practical. So the first step is the aim of the experiment. So what is the aim of the experiment? The aim of the experiment is to study the rate of respiration in germinating seeds. Now the things required for the practical are conical flask, cork, beaker, U-shaped glass tube, small test tube, thread, water, potassium hydroxide, germinating seeds of wheat, mustard, gram, all these things. Now we will discuss the procedure of the experiment. Students, as you can see the diagram, this diagram I have taken a conical flask, then I have taken a U-shaped bent glass tube, that you can say the delivery tube, a cork is there, and potassium hydroxide pellets are hanged in a small test tube with the help of thread. And this conical flask contains germinating seeds. Here I have taken a beaker containing colored water. Now, so what you have to do? First, you have to take 20 gram of germinating seeds in a conical flask. Then hang a small test tube containing potassium hydroxide pellets inside the flask with the help of a thread. Insert a U-shaped glass tube in the center of the cork and then make the cork airtight by applying Vaseline in its nearby areas. Now dip the free end, this is the free end, dip it inside the beaker containing water and make the water colored by putting few drops of eosin, which make it colored. Now in this way leave this apparatus for few hours, and after that then observe it. When you will observe it, then you will find there is increase in the level of water in the delivery tube. Students, why this happen? Why the liquid from the beaker it rises up in the delivery tube? Yes, it is because the seeds respire and release carbon dioxide in the conical flask, and this carbon dioxide is absorbed by KOH pellets. This causes a partial vacuum in the flask, and this space is occupied by air from glass tube, and thus the water level rises in the glass tube. So now in this experiment, oxygen which is present inside the air in the flask, that is used up in the respiration process, and CO2 which is given out, that is absorbed by these pellets. So there creates a vacuum, and due to this liquid rises in the tube. Students, in the control experimental setup, there we do not put the germinating seeds. So in the control tube, you find no rise in the level of water. But in the other experimental setups, when you have put the different grains, germinated grains here, that is wheat, mustard or gram, then you find the rise in the level of the water. But it is different in different seeds. So observation that the level of water rises in the glass tube in experimental setup, and there is no rise in the water level in control tube. So this is the observation. Now what precautions you will take for this experiment? That is, first precaution which you will take, that apparatus should be airtight. That's why I have applied here Vaseline, so that there should not be any space by which air can enter inside the flask. And the second precaution is, do not put any green tissue in the flask, as it will carry out the process of photosynthesis. So instead of releasing oxygen, it will absorb releasing oxygen. So in photosynthesis, it will start releasing oxygen, and thus experimental setup will be reversed. So you have to avoid to take green tissues. So these two precautions are which you have to take. Okay. So I will provide you the PDF of the chapter so that you can write the experiment easily in your practical record.